let me describe how we think about this new ecosystem of data. We divide it up into 6 categories. Think about it this way. Today, you can see almost all published material in real time. So if you sell a technology product and you know that an immediate opportunity is created for your products if the company, for example, opens a new office, you can see that press release within minutes after it's released, anywhere in the world. You not only can see it in published material, but you can see it in broadcast news, for example. So published material is available, coded, available for your use to help drive decisioning. You couldn't make that statement 18 months ago. The ecosystem is evolving rapidly. So category 1, published material. Category 2, think about being able to see search activity. If you're a technology company and you saw that your best prospects were opening white papers about cloud computing at a very high rate, that would drive you to implement sales activity to those people around offering your product before your competitors arrive. That's possible to do today. That wasn't possible 18 months ago. Think about the power of being able to identify that a company's opening a new office, they're searching for white papers on cloud computing. How much more valuable is that dynamic information than simply knowing their SIC and employment? It's a new world of dynamic-based marketing information. The third category is crowdsourced material. Today, there's about 40 million people around the world who collect data on demand, and they do it through manual means searching on the internet. So if it can't be mined, it can be captured through manual methods. And then, of course, there's web mining techniques. The ability for crawlers to not only search the global internet for the information that is critical to your marketing decisioning, but to search the global web infrastructure to identify the types of products and services that are being used by companies around the world. And then, of course, there's social media. The ability to understand how your prospects and best customers are interacting on the social web in a business context. What Twitter sites do they follow? When did they start to follow them? So if you saw that one of your best customers recently began to follow Twitter sites of your competitors, that would be a trigger that you would want to know about to help secure your competitive position with your customer. And then maybe the most interesting new area are private data transactions. There are companies around the world who, as a byproduct of their core business, capture information about the activities of businesses on a global basis. More and more of these companies are interested in structuring and packaging that data so it can be sold and ingested by decisioning systems of companies around the world. If you want the best example of what's happening today, you only have to read the paper. When you look at AOL and Verizon merging, they're only doing that for one reason, and that's to capture the unique data that Verizon captures as part of their core business, providing mobile services, and integrate it into the marketing products of AOL. And you're going to see and are seeing those stories replay themselves over and over. So as we think about big data, think about those 6 categories and how your business can benefit by extracting signals from that universe of 25 billion gigabytes a day and how that data can be integrated into your decisioning.